Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all the gardening enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about the SANJIAN Cordless Electric Brush Cutter, a product that's been making waves in the world of garden maintenance. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know why this is one of the best brush cutter brands available in the market. Let's start by taking a closer look at this fantastic brush cutter from SANJIAN. It's a cordless electric brush cutter that comes with some impressive features. As you can see, it comes in a vibrant red color, giving it a modern and sleek appearance. The first thing that stands out is the inclusion of not one but two rechargeable 21 volts lithium batteries, providing you with a runtime of approximately 45 to 60 minutes on a single charge. This extended runtime makes it perfect for light and medium-duty tasks in your garden. Now, let's talk about its cutting capabilities. The SANJIAN brush cutter comes with two types of 6-inch blades, stainless steel metal blades for mowing soft grass and light materials, and manganese steel circular saw blades for cutting thicker shrubs and branches. This versatility makes it a versatile tool for various garden tasks. The brush cutter is powered by a durable and reliable motor that delivers 450 W of power and operates at an impressive 18,000 RPM of no-load speed. Despite this power, it weighs only 3.6 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to handle. This feature makes it suitable for people of all ages, including women and the elderly. The SANJIAN brush cutter also boasts an ergonomic design. Its stainless steel telescoping shaft can be adjusted from 37.5 to 53.1 inches, providing on-demand height adjustments for all users. The rubber handle ensures comfort during use, and it features a double switch mechanism. That requires the user to press the safety button and trigger simultaneously to start, ensuring safety during operation. To add an extra layer of safety, there's a spacer that prevents accidental contact with rocks or hard surfaces, reducing the risk of damage. Another great aspect of this product is the customer service provided by SANJIAN. They are committed to solving any issues you might face with the product, including battery problems or blade replacements. Their responsive customer support team will assist you promptly. Plus, they've made significant upgrades based on customer feedback, such as replacing plastic motor gaskets with metal for increased durability and upgrading the batteries for faster charging. Now, let's talk about where you can get your hands on this fantastic brush cutter. You can find it on Amazon, and we've included the link in the video description below, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for replacement blades or additional accessories, SANJIAN has you covered with a variety of options. Before we wrap up this review, let's take a look at what customers are saying about this product. Overall, the SANJIAN Cordless Electric Brush Cutter has received positive feedback from users, particularly for its maneuverability, lightweight design, and ease of use. Some users have reported longer battery life, while others have found it to be a perfect tool for their gardening needs. Remember, it's essential to fully charge the batteries before the first use to maximize runtime. So, there you have it, folks, the SANJIAN Cordless Electric Brush Cutter. With its impressive features, ergonomic design, and excellent customer service, it's no wonder that this product is gaining popularity as one of the best brush cutter brands on the market. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started with your yard work, this brush cutter is worth considering for your gardening arsenal. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or personal experiences with this product, please share them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.